I'm trying to make a video finally after like years. And then that pops off. That pops off. I'm trying to make a video here. Fuck! Yep, welcome back. You're so crazy. Welcome back to another new video. On today's video, I'm gonna be eating in front of everybody. I'm gonna eat. Since I missed out on all that Popeyes, spicy chicken, crave going on, trending everywhere, I decided to go to Burger King. And why you say? No, not to eat the taco. We're not even gonna get to that. But this honey, we're gonna eat some crispy chicken and spicy. I don't like BK fries. No shade, but shade. But I don't like their fries. They're dry. No, so we had to go get some McDonald fries with some ketchup. Got that right. Oh. We go. Trying to save a turtle here, okay? We're gonna save a turtle with these stainless steel straws, reusable. Be smart, guys. Let's try at least and save this, whatever is left that we can save, cause we need to save these ecosystem, help our little animals out there. A little refreshment. Oh, the life, honey, the life. So we're gonna get this started. We're gonna get our fries. We're gonna get our fries. We're gonna get our chicken sandwich. Oh, it looks thick. Oh, we got something in common. We thick. Oh, it looks messy. But that's the sandwich. Make sure the inside. That's what he said. So, ooh, we got some bacon. We got some tomatoes. We got some more little bacon and some little chicken patty. So we're gonna throw that in there. I guess that's a difference because I'm not trying to be messy. I hate being a messy eater. So we're gonna try and eat this classy, people. I'm gonna teach you how to eat with class. So excited. It has cheese also, which looks delicioso. Go into this, honey. Let's go. It's crispy. Just perfectly crispy. That bun. Honey. Oh. It tastes good. Oh. Don't tell my mama I'm eating like an animal. This is so good. And then it's like a little cheese. The cheese, so like that. So definitely can taste the spiciness. Even the bun, like It's just so good. I know it's a little bit saucy, but I guess it complements like everything. The bacon, the chicken tender is like so, just perfect. Like me. Let's go into this again. It didn't look like it was gonna be too much, but the flavors mix just perfectly. Let's get some fries. I'll put this up there. You're definitely gonna need some napkins. Don't be messy. Let's keep this classy. And some fries. So woo! That was so. That hit the spot. These fries are everything, yo. I love McDonald's fries. Like, they're so good. And they're warm too, so can't go wrong with that. Can never go wrong with McDonald's fries. It's like the best of both worlds, you know. Like Hannah Montana said, you get the best of both worlds. Get some more fries. Now, if you're new to this channel, if you're new to this, oh my god. And we have come down to the end of this video. Thank you so much for joining me for lunch, you can say. The BK chicken, Caesar chicken sandwich, as spicy, was good. I do recommend it. I give it a 5 out of 5. Go to your nearest BK and get it, because Popeyes don't got it no more. Popeyes will allegedly bring the sandwich back. Maybe we'll taste it. Maybe we won't, because it's just, I just don't. You never know. Surprise. If they come back, we'll see. But with that said, I really do hope you enjoyed this little mukbang with me. Once again, I am Homasa. If you yet have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do. And hit that subscribe button down there. Hit it, hit it. And also make sure to hit that like. Make sure you share. I am Homasa. Checking out. Woo! That was nice, right?